Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can design a Beehiiv newsletter. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining so that you will be able to follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So yeah, this will help you to make your newsletter visually appealing and engaging. So what you have to do is of course log into your Beehiiv account if you already have one, and make sure that your account is already set up so that you will be able to do the steps that I will be explaining. So yeah, after you log into your account, you will go to newsletter and click plus new newsletter. Then you will choose a template or start with a blank layout. You will add your sections, your like headers, images, and buttons. You will customize your fonts, your colors, your spacing so that you will be able to match your brand identity. And then you will preview your newsletter by clicking preview before sending. And that's basically it. And of course, you will after all that, you will just have to click save so that you will be able to keep your design. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.